Welcome to Nehkagrata. My name is Mark Tenuto, and this edition is Attracting Money Through Consciousness. Now, I'm here sitting with Neha, the founder of Nehkagrata, and I'm curious about the relationships with money. I've seen many people, myself included at times, have had an unhealthy relationship with money, and I'm very curious what positive beliefs about money are, how we can change our beliefs to think about money in a positive way and to attract it into our lives.
Right. Mark, it's not just about earning money, it's about attracting money, number one. All the people who are earning money and then they say that we had struggled a lot, they haven't attracted. Money is very easy to find.
Okay.
Yes, it's very easy. If you know how to share the relationship with it, yes. Okay. And also, what beliefs are you carrying about money? Are you carrying a belief of that I'm not driven by money? Or maybe in the past you have had this belief of that I'm not driven by money. So did you ever change that belief? And one of the days you go out and you start to work, and then you start to say that I'm not able to get the money, because in the past you have created that belief in you. Or one of the belief is money is evil. So all these beliefs that we are carrying or hearing from other people, naturally the money would not like to come to you because it is another energy at the end of the day. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
So what are some of your strategies for attracting money into your life?
Now that is a very that's a question that I would love to share. To be very honest with you, I talk with money. I talk with money every single day. That the money that I have with me, I talk to it because I share a relationship with it. For example, this is my dress, this is my watch, and I'm just buying it as a product and then leaving it. It's okay. It is still okay. But if, for example, I have a lot of money and I'm respecting it, and if I have, let's say, just 1 rupee coin, I'm walking on the road and I find a 1 rupee coin and I don't look at it because it is small, money will never come to you because you're not giving value to money. You are disrespecting it because it is small. And only when you have, it's like when good things are there, we want to be with people. When they don't have that great things, we don't want to be with people. Similarly, when it is just 1 rupee coin, we will ignore it. So it's about accepting the energy of money.
Okay. Interesting. Yeah. I mean, money is extremely important into our lifestyles.
Yes.
Yes, there's passion, there's skill, and there's time that we put in.
Right.
But it's undeniably brought us here to Rishikesh by paying for a plane, paying for food, different transportation. What stops people from attracting more money into their life? Maybe certain people hit a certain point, a certain threshold, and then they feel limited, or they don't know how to adapt their relationship. What is it that stops people from continuing to increase?
See, as I said in the very beginning, it is mostly the belief. And it is also not about creating money in your life or attracting money in your life. It is about maintaining money in your life. If you're not able to maintain the relationship, this world is made up of creation, maintenance, and transformation.
Yes.
Like a woman gives birth to a child, and then she maintains that relationship, and then she sees that my kid is changing, is growing or not. If the kid will not grow, then she will also suffer. So similarly, if the relationship with money is not growing or not transforming, it will not come to you. So it is not just about creating money; it's about maintaining it.
I see.
Yeah, and a lot of people say that we can't save money, or we can handle money.
Okay.
Again, because you are just attached with the money because it is giving you certain luxuries. It is not expanding you. But once you just start to have the relationship with money, then it will come to you again and again and again because you're loving it.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. And you're not too possessive about it. Also, I would like to add here, it depends what you're doing with that money.
Okay.
Do you have just a limited goal of maybe having a big bungalow for yourself? Or you have a bigger goal of contributing in the society? It depends what goal you have.
Sure.
And the bigger the goal, the money also knows that if I'll go there, I will be expanded or transformed again and again. Or multiplied rather.
Okay. So Neha, of course we can't put a price on expanding your reach to money, as well as improving upon one's relationship with it. But it seems like attracting money through consciousness would be a really good course to take for anyone who's interested on improving their relationship with money and attracting it into your own life. Now,
absolutely.
I've seen your diversification in multiple skills that you enjoy, like yoga teaching, like NLP coaching, like putting out your online presence, as well as being a great anchor. So what do you have to share about diversifying and creating sources of income that fill you up as well?
You know, I'd like to share a quick experience here that I never could save money in the past in my life. And a time came in my life when I started to think that probably I'm not one of those who would be able to save money. So I thought, let's do one thing. Let's create more sources of money. If I'm not able to save money, but somewhere or the other, money is always coming in my life. So, you know, it's about values are changing, beliefs are changing, this world is changing. So why not changing the beliefs of money as well? Long back, maybe savings were important, but now since we have so many opportunities, so much the universe is giving us, then why not, expand our skills, our capabilities, and the sources of income. And once you have the sources of income, then naturally the money will just come to you on its own.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, money doesn't grow on trees, but perhaps if you take attracting money through consciousness, Neha will teach you how to plant one in your brain, plant one in your backyard. Thanks for being with us today, and we'll see you on the next episode.